Meaning of industrial park.
Industrial park.
Industrial park.
Industrial park.
Industrial park. An industrial park is a specially designated area zoned for industrial activities, typically located outside a city or town. It is primarily used for manufacturing, distribution, and research and development purposes. Industrial parks provide businesses with access to infrastructure such as utilities, transportation, communication systems, and other necessary resources. They also offer cost benefits, tax incentives, and streamlined procedures for companies to start operations. The goal of an industrial park is to create a cluster of businesses that can complement each other's operations, leading to increased productivity, innovation, and economic growth in the region.